The way I chose to mark World AIDS Day today was to carry 2 photographs of people I lost to AIDS a long time ago. One of them was my first boyfriend after finally coming out. He died in 1993. And the other was a picture of a childhood friend from 2nd grade on. He was one of the first people I knew who came out. It was not cool, shall we say, for him to be gay. It was a rough road to deal with that. At the same time, he was dealing with his illness, which took his life when he was 38 years old. For me, it's really personal. It's all the people that I've lost, and there are many, many others. These are just 2 of the who were dearest to me. It was another world in the 80s and into the 90s. There was a terrible stigma associated with being gay. There were people in Congress getting up on the floor of the Congress and saying, this is just retribution for people's sinful behavior. I firmly believe that the degree of openness that LGBTQ people enjoy today has been purchased by the lives of those who died from this disease. We can end the spread of the disease, and we can treat people who have the disease so that they can have healthy lives and not infect other people.